Okay. I just have one question. When is the last time? Let's see my shoes. That's a shadow. See my feet? Check this out. Got one question. When is the last time you took off your shoes? Took off your shoes. Even though this concrete gonna be hot. I ain't trying to walk on the concrete. When the last time you just took off your shoes and just walked in nature? We used to do this when we was growing up. As little girls, we walked barefooted. But nowadays, everybody have shoes on their feet. And as you can see, I took mine off. And just check this out. Walking in nature. Walking in nature. Just getting the feel of the earth, nature. Oh, you see my shadow. The sun is so bright. You see my shadow. Okay, it's been a while. My feet have touched the ground like this. And I'm like, you know what? I'm finna do something different. I am going to take a minute and just walk on nature. This is the earth, you guys. This is what you call the earth. And it have been a long time since, not just speaking for myself, I know I'm not the only one. This have been a long time. Look at that, the grass, the earth feels so good to my feet. You can call it crazy if you want to, but I call it minerals that we don't absorb because we have our shoes on. Yeah, I know I gotta be careful where I step, because you know you don't want to step on something and stick in your feet. But so far I've been walking, and if I tell you it feels good to just touch nature. Your skin against the earth. It's a beautiful thing. It's been a long time. Ooh. Okay. This is what you call sun gazing. The sun. Look at there. Isn't that beautiful? It's just beautiful. Like Mariah Carey say, marvelous, darling, just marvelous. Woo. It's a beautiful day. It's hot out. And yeah, just being able to, I don't know how far this thing go all the way back up to the highway. We are so, ooh, that brick is hot right there. We are so, I have got so used to, you know, putting on shoes everywhere we go, not connecting with nature. We can't forget about nature, because nature is not gonna forget about us. Nature is not going anywhere. But anyway, I just decided to do something different. And this is not no kind of challenge or anything like that. This is just something I wanted to do. Because I'm like, hold up. It's been a long time. And if I could find some sand or some dirt to walk in, I would actually be barefooted walking in the dirt. Because this is something we used to do when we was growing up. Back then we connected to nature. That's what it's all about, connecting to nature. I don't know how far this thing go. Ooh, did that drop off there? I will get down there, but that is kind of hot. If I can get down there, I will walk over there and just put my feet in that water, that little fall. But this right here is concrete that man made, keeping us from connecting with nature. And that do burn my feet right there. That's hot. I wouldn't be able to stay on that one too long. But I know you guys remember we used to do this. We used to just, you know, play out in the country and play marbles and play jacks, jump rope, hopscotch. Some people say hopscotch. But anyway, we did all that. But now we don't take time to. Everybody is always, and I'm guilty myself, on the go, just driving in my car, you know, and just not really enjoying nature. We're driving on that pavement. They don't have really dirt roads like they used to. But y'all, this is so beautiful. I promise you. Like I say, the next time I get out and I want to go where I can just walk on the dirt, you know, the sand. We used to play in sand. We used to make sand castles. Y'all remember that? We made sand castles back in the day. Yeah, this is beautiful. So, but anyway, I just wanted to do that. Now I got to walk back up here. It just feels so good. Oh my goodness. My feet feel so good. Just touching, I mean, just look at that. Just on the earth. When the last time anybody went barefooted and just let your feet, I'm not talking about in the house or the apartment or your home. I'm talking about on the earth. You know, not in the apartment where you got carpet. I'm talking about the grass. This is the carpet right here. The grass. Better watch. I better come up with something. Come up with a revelation. No, no, but no. Seriously, guys, this is just something just beautiful, you know, and just being able to walk in nature. Look at there, barefooted, no shoes on my feet, and just rubbing my feet on the ground, on the earth, and it feels beautiful. And this is something I haven't done, and if I tell you years, I mean years, I can't even remember. Probably maybe when I was shortly after I was out of high school, maybe I might have done it. But other than that, oh, look at there. Beautiful. But you guys try it sometime, you know, just get out and, you know, take your shoes off, you know, and just walk in nature. I used to climb trees. I did all that in the country, you know, made that connection with nature, you know. We are, you know, one with nature, you know, so it's just a beautiful thing. And if I tell you this feels so good, just being able to just go barefooted and just Step on the earth, not concrete, but the earth. This is beautiful, beautiful. But anyway, I'm gonna walk back up, and you guys just, just remember nature. Like some people say, Mother Nature. The Creator designed all this for us, and that was way before they start putting pavement on the highways and everything. But like I say, let me find a dirt road. I may have to go back to the country. Some place that you can go and you can, but it's good to, just be able to, like I say, just walk on nature. It's a beautiful thing. Oh, and the sun is so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that nature. Wow, beautiful. All right, you guys, I hope y'all have a great day. And like I said, get out and take your shoes off every now and then. And connect with nature. Connect with nature. This is what you call connecting with nature. And so far, I've been walking for a while, and I haven't stepped on anything. No stickers or anything like it normally be, but I mean, it just feels good. Good to the soul. Y'all have a good one.